idea okay about form way Alaji Mumuni Baumia Obiani ni shebre so ka say Dr. Baumia a betray ni papa and say oko on the left Obiani senye
oko on the right rather
oko on the right no Obiani senye otie Obiani de ope lumana bo ni nyum say de ope na me fa sanka nyina e front macro
say the nanu kura na ima ewu ye kura no NDC for no kura cultural press statement and comedy ba say woman organizer na ewu
exactly so because nani papa kura na we council of state chairman copying 2000 so but Obiani ni de baby ogina aka ene BA Mensa ba betima NDC ni but Herbert Mensa NDC ni
nti papa gina ha na so gina ho
Debi ena na me cry me one because penny no me bunu pa baby and tifie kodru no wakansem bebre but I believe say baby o papa gina de enye no na just because who are right to self determination
na papa no politically active
that or your friend obibia you ne zongo bia NDC ni automatic
papa no NDC ni
yes
and ma ho ko NDC and ape wani bia
exactly and make say this is where I want what you say and no dey yemfanka me mama tama na me very active in NDC na me mama a card bearing member of MPP because na me mama dey didn't call MPP health insurance
me nu akuma 52 million
yes me nu akuma in 2007 me nu akuma enya yare they didn't call in the surgery for 21 days now at the hospital ye in the surgery bibia no call you free because of health insurance that time so kra no o parents ya ena o show ma na cover omo ena ye na o say there be the odi ade buy the omo your party papa na o call ena o pick a card but I was active in NDC I was communicating for them I was doing everything but my mother was even a card bearing member of the MPP oh eti say ene obi papa gina baby no ono so eba na o say baby e o gina ni a I don't think say e was say a issue ama obi ka say obi a betray obi ena na me ka say BA Mensa yenim the Rollins BA Mensa nanso ni ba Herbert Mensa de when this ni it na ka say wa betray na
any Rollins in Macra you fine
exactly to the extent that we cry the yemi na meka no wa
me be kana
but when ni Macra fine to the extent that first in Rollins na Macra oni BA Mensa na nam Herbert Mensa
Abraham Ponsa
yes omuko be bold omuko sunyan that's only when NDC na Herbert Mensa ka ho no na campaign manager kra
Funka Games
no ginem so say ene bibisa na aka say wa betray ni papa na there be interest or right to self determination.
Can you visit the son the sins of the father unto the son
of the day? The Ambassador Kanyebu on the issue of Ira Mahama, ex-president John Mahama, Ninsema Okano. The Ambassador Mekani, MPP as a party, na ye Ghana, the CI no. The party in Penfo, because maybe since we Mamian Casacra, Mikofa. Miku kesi baus di ba ya na ama yani aje kama ya na manfo bi sudo mo de ne nam chenchen ben for the hihya ba se enuru amanyobre isi yibu oman enti baus hwa nyina no e fa mu nchen na emre no so a
sure
na amama ekwan ni aye baus ya tiasie pa ko party penfo na kasa na meka kwesi na Ghana nyina aswe nti Ghana no yini bra ya de building on mine all the time no must be politics ana se o bra de building on mine dia and you said the MPP as a party ni eno aso ni yuru on mine no yetimi de hihya ba se party no enuru amanyo bre yebu on mine tiemfa amanyo nto nchen no ada na Ghana so no yemfa sanhye ni bima na yehu se from this time of the day to that period of time memo yenkoma yedi so your opposition so your hwan yenkomu nyina and center on the building of the nation if say election no ukọ election say wo petumi e dia ba bebu o man no so what you say nti eto abani wi a election akoda na nka dia aka no e ya memu opposition now provide alternative governance now de hihye ba oh aban baby o fe hade eye na nka wo tre no fa ne say kakra that's opposition no opposition say woni tuasa aban no ya de pa na so yese de tufutu Ghana for na je de you are poised for power but you are not poised for development of the nation there now we will be say to abama so what I say because you be also be Ghana respecting the laws of the land. You must respect your president and the government of the day. It say who abuse the powers of which who certain ambition to come and have that power to lead the nation. Let's also for buo mamra, for buo ma police, for buo ma all the institutions. You don't qualify to rule the state. And only some years here come Ghana 40 years here. Na Ghana for who do your fantasy to me to Abama so be Ghana kunyaso. So what you see? In this case, I'm suggesting, because I'm speaking partly as communicator, partly as communication professional. The American, I'm speaking the language communication. Say, so mine to me set your priorities right. At what particular time? And I see a politics. At what particular time? And I see a burden nation. It is all your opposition party. Now when you why you so contribute to the building of the nation. What can I say letter commission krano? So to me receive class three ballot paper so. If so don't think of the nation. Or manifest. You see in everything Ghana first. What the meaning of Ghana first? Ghana first is just say Ghana mpuntu ne nkanko and na eya wo die so. Na mnero do sie be pa konwa na enama no mo pa bia Ghana fo hu se hutuma o man no wodwunu wo mo ho ne sa de benti no wotimi consider to abanama so na me cho no ye we mama yewra as president ne sama okay mpo wakan sam Ghana man no a wo so pese obedi wo mo so no say asem na wakan entwa yi twisan wo se mi gira de mi gina utie nipa wetin tintinti sa nipa we no ene wono no simbre bi ba oba be ka se to obama no metena kunya no so owo position kura na all party akodi ahobrase ene be pe no woturi gina wokon ho wohuri o gina wokon na de 2 mini manual ya 2 mini nyina be di ne sem no e ho na be ka se obedie and you said it is hard time say you synthesize Ghanaians no mo hunu nipa o kasa se etie no ene de on kasa se etie no I should say hey Mahama Yura ni sama waka no enye politics
where
we shouldn't take it as politics
but what
we should take it as obia ni pe bia o pese o de Ghana ko yenim
hey
I'm telling you politics ni dia ye fa to nchen say o kan should be about president agenda 111 na so fa na politics but me ni problem o hu so me ni problem o hu na mom so utimi kasa call for mayhem now person will tamper with the peace of the nation. Dear, we will be a social assam so say we politics na way. Never. The whole konyinan obi kwa you coup. Yeah, UN. You. Who said ne krano
president me virtual.
What you say? Now who the Ghana justify. Sa coup no my no papa. Who some konyinan kwa say the person who say nka bi kransi Ghana ha. Now okasa asem we ya na nya bre. Na discuss no. Na ya ni age ho. So what I say, the person mekani. Nana Akufo-Addo is the president of the state. We na pan for no mo adwuma no. State no ya chichem into facets, institutions. E mu miensa and the police, the national security, and then the police, national security, and the interior ministry. But what I say, no share internally. Yambambo e won someone hweso. Assembly obi free no mo ka bia listen no Ghana constitution no there is some code to be that's a provision in the constitution will say the law is no respecter of person.
Sure.
So must we say obi was a political spectacle. He has been vice president before. He has been president before. Are you calling
for the arrest of the former president?
What I'm trying to say is I'm not calling for
that. Should be
but what I'm saying, I'm synthesizing, I'm drawing the attention